Every drop of rain tells a story woven from the whispers of wind, the warmth of the sun, the vastness of oceans, and the dance of the atmosphere. Rain is not just water falling from the sky, it's a lifeline for our planet. It nurtures the delicate balance of ecosystems, feeding rivers that carve through landscapes and sustain countless species. Imagine the vibrant green of a field after a gentle shower, the way plants stretch and reach for the sky, soaking in every precious drop. This is the essence of life, where rain transforms barren land into lush pastures, supporting farmers who rely on it to grow the food that nourishes us all. But rain does more than just quench the thirst of the earth. It plays a crucial role in regulating our climate. The way clouds gather and release moisture influences temperatures, impacts weather patterns, and even shapes our seasons. Each rainfall is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world, a cycle that has existed for millennia. Yet, as we stand on the brink of climate change, the patterns of rain are shifting. Some regions experience torrential downpours, while others face prolonged droughts. This unpredictability poses challenges for agriculture, water supply, and natural habitats. It's a stark reminder that our actions have consequences, and the stories told by rain are changing. As we witness these changes, we must recognize the importance of protecting our environment. Every drop of rain is a testament to the resilience of nature, but it also calls us to action. By understanding the significance of rain, we can better appreciate its role in our lives and work towards a future where every drop continues to tell its story, a story of hope, growth, and sustainability. Rain begins with the sun. Its heat warms the water, causing it to evaporate and rise into the sky. As it cools, it transforms into clouds, fluffy and full of potential. This is where the magic happens. Condensation builds until those clouds can't hold any more moisture. Then comes precipitation, whether it's rain, snow, or hail, falling back to the earth. This continuous water cycle is vital. It controls our weather and sustains life. Picture a river flowing into the ocean, clouds forming overhead, and storm clouds building, ready to unleash their bounty. Nature's rhythm is a beautiful dance of water, always in motion. Climate zones shape our world in fascinating ways. In tropical climates, rain pours down frequently, nurturing lush rainforests. Meanwhile, deserts like the Sahara remain dry, trapped under high-pressure systems that stifle moisture. Temperate zones, on the other hand, showcase seasonal changes, with vibrant springs and snowy winters. Geography, oceans, and wind patterns weave together to create this intricate tapestry of weather. Monsoons unleash their fury, while jet streams guide storms across continents. Understanding these dynamics helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our planet's climate. Rainfall comes in three fascinating types: convectional, orographic, and frontal. Convectional rainfall bursts forth in hot areas, creating those dramatic thunderstorms we see in the tropics. Then, there's orographic rainfall, where moist air meets mountains, rising and cooling to form clouds that spill rain on one side while leaving the other dry. Finally, frontal rainfall occurs when warm and cold air masses collide, producing those sweeping weather fronts we often experience in Europe. Each type shapes our landscapes uniquely, influencing everything from ecosystems to agriculture. Isn't nature incredible? Rainfall is the lifeblood of our planet, shaping ecosystems in fascinating ways. In the lush rainforest, constant moisture fuels a vibrant tapestry of life, where every drop nurtures towering trees and colorful creatures. Meanwhile, in the arid desert, resilience reigns. Plants like succulents have mastered the art of survival, storing water to thrive in harsh conditions. Wetlands burst with life, providing a haven for birds and aquatic species, while tundras, blanketed in snow, awaken only when the melt reveals a hidden world. Each region tells a story of adaptation, showcasing nature's incredible ability to flourish, no matter the challenge. Oceans are the heartbeat of our planet, regulating rainfall through evaporation and global currents. When the Pacific warms up, we enter the El Niño phase, unleashing floods in some regions while others face droughts. In contrast, La Niña cools things down, shifting weather patterns again. Winds play a crucial role, carrying moisture and shaping storm paths, leading to the formation of powerful tropical storms over warm waters. Understanding these cycles helps us grasp the complex dance of weather and climate, reminding us how interconnected our world truly is. As our planet warms, rainfall patterns are shifting dramatically. Some regions are drenched in intense storms and flash floods, while others suffer from crippling droughts. This isn't just weather, it's a crisis. Agriculture is disrupted, drinking water supplies dwindle, and ecosystems struggle to adapt. Graphs reveal stark changes in rainfall across continents, highlighting the urgency of the situation. We're witnessing the consequences of climate change unfold before our eyes. If we don't act now, the future could be even more unpredictable, with our very survival at stake. Farming relies heavily on rainfall, but when that rain is unpredictable, it creates serious challenges. Droughts can wipe out entire crops, leaving fields barren and farmers desperate. On the flip side, sudden storms can flood those same fields, destroying everything in their path. To combat these extremes, we need climate-resilient agriculture. Techniques like drip irrigation and smart weather tools can help us adapt, ensuring our crops thrive even in the face of uncertainty. It's not just about surviving, it's about feeding the future. Too much rain brings deadly floods, while too little leads to crippling droughts. We're witnessing extremes like never before. In Pakistan, rivers overflow, swallowing homes and lives. Meanwhile, in California, dust storms rage through parched landscapes, leaving devastation in their wake. Communities are scrambling for emergency aid, and climate refugees are on the rise, forced to leave everything behind. This isn't just weather, it's a wake-up call. Our planet is changing, and we must adapt or face the consequences. Rain has always been a part of our lives, a natural phenomenon that nourishes the earth and sustains life. But what if I told you that the future of rain is in our hands? The way we treat our planet today will determine how rain falls tomorrow. It's a delicate balance, and we're at a crucial crossroads. Let's talk about emissions. The air we breathe is filled with pollutants that not only harm our health but also disrupt weather patterns. When we reduce emissions, we're not just cleaning the air, we're stabilizing the climate. Cleaner air leads to more predictable rainfall, which is essential for agriculture, drinking water, and ecosystems. It's a simple equation: less pollution equals healthier rain. Now, consider our forests. They're often called the lungs of the planet, and for good reason. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, but they also play a critical role in the water cycle. Forests help regulate rainfall and maintain groundwater levels. When we protect and restore these vital ecosystems, we're investing in a sustainable future. Every tree we save is a step toward ensuring that rain falls where it's needed most. Building smarter cities is another key piece of the puzzle. Urban areas are often concrete jungles that can't absorb rainwater, leading to flooding and water shortages. By designing cities that incorporate green spaces, permeable surfaces, and efficient drainage systems, we can manage rainwater more effectively. Imagine a city where rainwater is captured and reused, where green roofs and parks not only beautify the landscape but also help mitigate flooding. This is not just a dream, it's a necessity. The relationship between rain and climate is intricate. Changes in temperature can alter precipitation patterns, leading to droughts in some areas and floods in others. Understanding this relationship is crucial for protecting our water resources. We need to invest in research and education to grasp how climate change impacts rainfall and what we can do to adapt. Knowledge is power, and it's our best tool for safeguarding the future. Let's not forget the sheer power of rain. It can nourish crops, fill rivers, and replenish aquifers, but it can also devastate communities with floods. Respecting this power means preparing for it. We must build resilient infrastructures, develop early warning systems, and create community plans that prioritize safety and sustainability. The rain will always fall, that's a certainty. But how we prepare for it is up to us. By reducing emissions, protecting our forests, and creating smarter cities, we can manage water better and ensure that rain continues to be a blessing rather than a curse. The future of rain is not just about weather patterns, it's about the choices we make today. Let's make those choices count.